Hello friends! Today in this video, we'll bring to you one iPhone style theme support HyperOS. With iOS lock screen widgets like this. Double tap to active, always on display mode. Focus mode can custom any name mode. Flashlight icon on lock screen, double to active. Double tap white bar to enter custom screen. This line custom clock widget. Custom color clock widget. This tab custom widgets under clock. Tap red button to remove all and select any widgets. Level of depth effect. Theme has dynamic music control when playing with Zing MP3 app or Miui Music. Full screen album art. In home screen, theme has beautiful icons pack. When you open and close any system app will show icon animations. Folder feature auto change color with dark mode or light mode. Support Xiaomi HyperOS control center with iOS status bar style. Now, let's install and custom this theme on your device. Theme only available on Chinese theme store. If your device running stock Chinese ROM, you can find it. If you device running global ROM, you can download backup file created by me to install. Use backup and restore features to install. After install theme, now it's custom theme. Don't skip if you don't know Chinese language. With one line, you can import your wallpaper with size 1 MB. This button to active zoom animation effect. Change to your wallpaper. This screen. Enable this. Return to theme default wallpaper. With number 3 line, you can custom device's name on widget. With number 4 line, you can change color, style of music, album art, from light mode or dark mode. With number 5 line, you can custom focus mode. Change any name of mode, example I change to this. With number 7 line, you can custom dynamic island style. Use dynamic island or not. Choose dynamic island or notch. With number 8 line, you can custom any text on top left lock screen. Enter text here. Number 9 line can activate always on display mode. Double tap to enter AOD. Number 10 to hide fingerprint icon on lock screen. Number 11 custom charging animation. Number 12, disable bottom bar and control center bar. Enable FPS. Theme has beautiful icons pack. Animated icons. Change color of folder application with dark mode or light mode. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.